In this installment of the Deluxe Reading Dream Build, a Book Nook is constructed. I mentioned in a past video I wanted a bookshelf for the living room, and the inspiration for it is this Book Nook constructed from a closet. Long before the Deluxe Reading Dream project, this is something I dreamed about having in my own home. I begin by cutting out the center of this panel, which will be the foundation for the bookshelf. Since the left and the middle sections were constructed earlier, the right side is now being built. All the sections were constructed using a thicker grade of basswood. The center section is installed, followed by the shelves, which are placed 1 5/8 inch apart. The sides are now applied, followed by the top and the bottom. For extra support, another back is added to the bookshelf. The front panel is glued over the bookshelf. The new section is attached to the other. A bamboo craft stick was glued 2¼ inches from the bottom of the panel, allowing the top and the bottom drawers to slide in and out smoothly. Those will be seen in part 2 of this project. Running out of the higher grade basswood, 1/16 grade is used to construct the platform for the bookshelf, which is reinforced with 2 additional pieces. Dowels for stilts are positioned underneath each bookshelf for support. Since the original basswood sheet was too short, another piece was added to the back so the stilts have a foundation. Join me next time for part 2 of this momentous project. And if you enjoyed today's installment, give it a like and be sure to comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I would also like to thank subscribers for your support and to say welcome to all the new ones. You being here really means a lot. And until next time, take care and I'll see you in the next video.